Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to open your Instagram app. So I simply open my Instagram app. Right now click on the bottom right corner my profile icon. And click on the top right corner 3-line menu bar icon. And then select settings and privacy. Right now select account center. Right now select personal details and select account ownership and control. Right now select deactivation and deletion. Right now select your Instagram profile name. Right now select second option. Select continue. And then you just need to select the reason why you want to delete and select continue. Again select continue. Select continue. And you just need to type your password and you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Just type your password on here and select continue. So that's it guys. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.